to, just want to make sure that we're going to put a note in the drawing. I think note in the paychecks this week for Sunday's drawing, because remember we do drawing for HBC reliable employees and the kids and everything on Christmas. So we're going to start the drawing for the kids at 2:30, and then we're going to do the other drawings afterwards. So if you show up at 4:30 and you miss all the drawings, don't be mad at me. Okay, so I just want to make sure that's clear. Okay, so we're going to start the kids' drawings at 2:30, and then we'll do the adults. Okay, the HBC reliable employees. Also, the second and third tip I've explained, again, it's immediate family members. So your children, your grandchildren, it's not cousins, it's not uncles, it's not parents. It is just your children and your spouse and your immediate family, okay? We will have an open house later on. There will be a walkthrough that we would encourage everyone to bring your family to show off to your building, okay? This is just a pre-secret mile party. So we're going to have that party. We will have an open house later, okay? Once we get more machines moved in and everything transferred out, okay? All right, so does that make sense to everybody? Okay? All right, don't forget, Green Boys is going to be here at 9:30 today. So we want to make sure we got everything straightened up and cleaned up, okay? All right, so the quality circle started it. We set a goal to reduce the back fit on the rear reinforcement by 90% over the next 3 months. From here, we did ditching and butsu, or as we call it, get your boots on, and we all went through the process in order to see firsthand what was going on. By observing the problem at the source, we were able to make a fishbone diagram of all the potential causes, and then began to narrow the possible ones down on a manageable number. We narrowed down all the possible causes to 5 potential causes we wanted to investigate, so everyone in the team took one to go and see and determine if theirs was the root cause. I had the responsibility to check the standardized work and make sure that everyone on the job had been properly trained and were following the correct installation procedure in the same way. So we went on to the next potential cause. This time, the whole team investigated the brackets of the parts that first attaches to the car, and then the rear reinforcement attaches to them. We needed help with this, so we went to the production engineering group that is responsible for the quality of the incoming parts. And they did the measurements, and the brackets turned out to be okay. Then Marvin had the assignment to check the rear reinforcement alignment. He worked with an inspection team to have it checked. It was put into a checking fixture, and it too measured okay. We weren't sure where to go next, so we asked the advisor of the quality circle for some more ideas. Our group leader was our advisor, and he suggested that we go back to the body weld to see how the parts were put together. For us assembly folks, it seemed like another world back there, but Steve and Crystal went over and walked the line until they found where they welded the body weld bracket to the body. They checked this part and found a problem. The lower body panel was out of tolerance. All right, so we'll continue on with that and what they did once they found that out tomorrow.